Okay, so to do this problem with multiplying scientific notation, we need to multiply the first two numbers in your scientific notation, and then use your exponent rules for multiplying numbers with the same base. We're going to add the exponents of your scientific notation. So for the first one, you're going to do 1.5 times 5 to get your first number. So 1.5 times 5 is 7.5. So to do that, 1.5 times 5 is 7.5. And then to add your exponents, you would do 10 to the second power times 10 to the 10th power. So then you would add the exponent. So you would have 10 to the second plus the 10th power, which is equal to 10 to the 12th power. So that would be your answer for this one. And for the next one, the same process. You're going to do 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is, 5 times 4 is 20. And then you take your base of 10 with the exponent. Since we're multiplying and they're the same base, we can add the exponents. So we can do 10 to the 8th plus the 3rd power, which is equal to 10 to the 11th power. So your answer should be 20 times 10 to the 11th power. But so far, if we have 20 times 10 to the 11th power, we're almost done, but this is not completely in scientific notation because this first number needs to be at least 1 but less than 10. It has to follow those rules. So 20 is not less than 10, so we're going to have to take our decimal and move it until we get a number that is at least 1 but less than 10. So if I take this decimal, I'm going to use a different color here. If I take the decimal from behind the 0, move it up 1 to create 2, which follows my rules, then I need to change the power on from 11 to 12. So I need to basically kind of add 1 because I moved my decimal to the left. So I need to account for that in my exponent. Also, there's a way to that's an easy way to remember this. It's called LARS. So it means left add, right subtract. So since I went to the left, I had to add a number to my scientific notation. So the fully correct answer completely in scientific notation is 2 times 10 to the 12th power. So these are both the answers. Make sure to check your work and correct any mistakes that you may have made.